What's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here with another cryptocurrency video for you. Today I'm going to cover the latest in Crypterra based on my video yesterday. If you haven't seen that, I'll throw up a card up here in the top right and go over and hop over and check that out, and this video will make way more sense. So yesterday I covered a new Facebook page that surfaced. The handle was at cryptera.net. It seemed legit. I had a conversation with a person that said their name was Bradley Blackburn from the social media team of Crypterra. He provided a few different things that made me think it was a legit page. And there was a lot of criticism from you guys. I know a lot of you guys thought, he could have easily seen my videos and decided if it was, provided that info to me. So, after that, I said, I have a better idea for proof. Go ahead and throw the link to this Facebook page if it's legit. And I provided a screenshot. They came back and said, I'll email our technical team. I hope they can get back to me. So I got some feedback in our Facebook group, which is Crypterra Official. Feel free to hop in there. And someone said that they got a message correspondence from this group, or from this page, I should say, with a referral link, which is a total red flag that it's a fake person trying to make money off of innocent people. So I posed the question, this was 30 minutes ago, why are you directing people to sign up for an account using your referral link? Well, they came clean. So dear Sean, I'm a fan of your channel and love to help grow it. I appreciate that in kind of a weird, twisted way. This is how I got the withdrawal info. Basically, you guys were right. I got duped. And I have no problem saying I made a mistake. I got duped. That's fine. And they're going to reveal it's fake this evening. It's not going to last that long because I'm going to do it right now. Basically they're saying use my referral code if so. And they actually hope that the company's real too. So I just got a little more info on why he did this. Why create another page? Everyone that's already reaching out has an account. There's really no money to be made. They've already got an account. Basically, it was a social experiment. They wanted to see how quickly it was to manipulate people, pretty much. And I asked them, okay, what was the result? Very easy. He actually offers to extend the fakeness of the page, I guess, to give me the ability to provide exclusive info. And like my channel always has been and always will be, it's not to mislead anyone. I'm trying to get to the facts here. I mean, I've got money just like everyone else invested into this platform, and me misleading people is not going to help anything. So he said that's great to hear, and then I just replied, I'm trying to get the truth. You're not the only one. Crypterra is very shady. There's not a single place you can get answers. And he says, has anyone gotten response to support tickets? And I have seen some screenshots of actual Crypterra, tickets getting replies from a Benjamin Perry, which I believe this guy is a real guy. He's on their website. I basically, there was weird timing. The old Facebook that was at Crypterra Mining went down. This one came up around the exact same time. So I asked him, did you own the other one that was posing as Harry Griffin? He said he has no idea who that is. And then I just said, that the timing was so similar. And he actually said he didn't even know the old one was deleted until he saw it in my Facebook group. And he also said there'll probably be new ones added, but it will only be theirs if the link is on their website. So I think that's right, guys. You guys said it. If it was legit, it'd be on their website. Basically, is there anything else I can help you with? I said, nope, I'm going to make a video about this. And potentially maybe some twisted people will use your referral code because of it. That is what it is. So Facebook page is fake. A lot of you guys thought that, and I was wrong. I think everyone just wants to believe so much that they're trying to do better here. I know me personally, I want to believe it's so bad. So when stuff like this happens, we take a leap of faith. So I learned a lesson there. But for all you guys that seemingly want to be private investigators, everyone's, telling me this, that, and the other about, everything. No one's found this yet, and I've seen this for about a week, and I thought maybe somebody else would surface it. And I was actually talking to another YouTuber last night, Crypto Robert, and talking about, I don't know if I should reveal this or not. By the way, if you haven't checked him out, go ahead and do that. He's got great videos as well, excellent content, very thorough. So shout out to you, Crypto Robert. And I'm going to show you guys something that maybe you guys can go research and put your Inspector Gadget hat on. So this banner here. I thought when I was looking at this, there had to have been other banners in the past, right? So if we just copy this to make it easier to find, and you go in here and you view the page source, which is the HTML, raw HTML, and we do a find for that banner text. Right here. Here's the banner text. Now, there's got to be some old banners, right? Here's one about increased network traffic that they've commented out in the code. And here's one that I am surprised nobody has found. Here's an old banner. Dear friends, some of you, and they always use dear friends on Twitter. Some of you have noticed problems with the website. I don't know how long ago, there's no date, but it's signed, sincerely yours, Kian Preston, CEO of Crypterra Inc. Now, I have not tried to thoroughly research this name, but all of you guys that think want to be a private investigator, feel free right here. Here's some information nobody has surfaced. I've sat on this for a week, and I'm at the point now where I'll try anything. I was trying not to call anybody out or expose anyone, but feel free to try and find this person and get some answers, because clearly the Facebook's not going to be a medium to do that. So I think that's all I wanted to cover, guys. I'll do a video later kind of showing today's day 14 for me, so I'll show what my profitability has been, how successful have I been on the platform, and I'll cover that in detail. But don't use the Facebook anymore. I'm sure this guy's going to shut it down once this video surfaces, if he hasn't already. So just proceed with caution. Again, I'm never trying to mislead anyone. I am only trying to help and get answers, because I have a lot of money invested in this platform. So with that, guys, I'll go ahead and wrap it up. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Take care and see ya.